Good morning, Zoe. So I got your email asking about lesson 2.3. What I want to show you to do, how to basically follow the daily plan to know what you're supposed to do each day. So if you look at, so you asked me about 2.3 cell organelles, and we can tell it's a K-12 lesson, okay, because it's got the little K-12 next to it. Okay. First of all, though, this is from last week. So what I would do personally is I would just go ahead and you can start from today. Okay, this is the 14th. Your lesson for today is Unit 2, Lesson 6. It's called DNA to RNA to Proteins. There's a video here that I posted to just talk about the basics of DNA, so you would want to click on that first. Okay, then what you do is you go to K-12, and your screen's going to look different like this than this. There's going to be a button somewhere up here that says Courses. You want to click on your courses, and then click Life Science. So it'll probably look something like this. Let me just show you real quick. Okay, so you would click on Life Science up in your courses. Okay, and as this is loading, we want to open our unit list. Okay, and we're going to click into today's lesson. Okay, it's 2.6, so Unit 2, Lesson 6. So I'm going to click Unit 2, and then when you click into Lesson 6 right here, it starts your lesson. Okay, for today. It's got slides, it's got it'll have your lesson objectives here that tell you what the lesson is about. Okay, and Zoe, you want to make sure too, like something that's really important is to go back on the daily plan. And I teach a lesson on how to take science notes. It's all the way from week number 1. But you can see right here it says video how to take science notes. Okay, so all the way from that was August the 7th. You want to watch that, and that's going to show you how to successfully take notes and use those to study for your assessments. Okay, so that's my suggestion, Zoe. What you're going to do then is once you finish your science, you're going to go to your other lessons. Okay, so you've got, well, there's a class being taught online at 1 o'clock. When you click into that, you'll be in Mrs. Wynn's, basically into her online classroom. Okay, there's 12 p.m. open tutoring. If you have any questions, you can log into that and ask Ms. Dezugan. Okay, there's also some open tutoring going on in math if you need any math help for today's lesson. But so you see K-12 3.3, you're going to go through your courses, you're going to go to math. Okay, like I said, yours is going to be a little bit different than this. And it says 3.3, so Unit 3, Lesson 3. Okay, here's your math right there. I'm going to click on Unit 3 and then Lesson 3 when that comes up. Sorry, my computer's going a little slow. It's got kind of a lot going on. Okay, unit list. The other thing, Zoe, please make sure when you finish the lesson, you take the assessment at the end, and then that gives you credit for that lesson. So I can tell you haven't done anything in Unit 3 because none of these are checked off. When you go through Lesson 3 and then take your lesson assessment at the end, it automatically lead you to, saying, are you ready to take your assessment? As soon as you take your assessment and pass, it automatically checks it off and gives you credit for it. Okay, I hope this helps. I'd recommend if you have some questions, go to one of those open tutoring classes that you see, click on that link, and then ask the teacher, and they can give you live help. Okay, Zoe, I'll talk to you later. Bye.